Good morning guys, and in front of me is Honor V5 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. At first open your phone gallery, then choose the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit and select add picture. Now choose the album from which you want to select this photo, this picture. You can open your camera and grab a photo right now. You can open your gallery and pick photo from this panel. You can choose one from Google Photos. You can create a monogram illustration. Under monogram you can also use some emoji. However, I'll go with on-device photos, for example this one. Then place it however you like, rotate it if you want, mark choose, and click on save to apply the change. And that's it. From now on you've got this photo assigned to particular contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.